Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a railway disability card. First, you'll need to confirm you meet the specific eligibility requirements, which often include a medical assessment. Next, gather all your supporting documents, such as proof of disability and identification. Finally, find the official application form, usually available online or at designated railway stations, to begin the process. This ensures a smooth and efficient application. To be eligible, you must have a recognized disability that necessitates special assistance when traveling by train. You will need a current medical certificate, issued by a certified medical professional, clearly stating your condition. Additionally, prepare copies of your identification, such as a passport or national ID card, and proof of your current residential address. These documents are crucial for verifying your application details. Carefully fill out every section of the application form, ensuring all information is accurate and easy to read. Double-check that you have attached all the necessary supporting documents, as incomplete applications may face delays. You can typically submit your completed application either through an online portal or by visiting a specific railway disability card processing office. Follow the instructions precisely for successful submission. After submission, your application will undergo a review process, which usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks. You will receive an official notification regarding the status of your application, whether it's approved or if further information is needed. Once approved, your railway disability card will be issued. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced travel experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.